but that's not going anywhere. I posted up a video series a while back on replacing a pickup box on my truck. And I got this comment from a viewer: you can't strap a load down without saying that's not going anywhere. And it's absolutely true. And it got me thinking about how often I hear that term. So I went through and created a compilation of "That's Not Going Anywhere" from all of my favorite YouTube channels. So without further ado, that ain't going nowhere.
Yeah, that's not going anywhere.
That ledger board's not going anywhere.
Welds in there, not going anywhere.
Plump full of concrete, so it isn't going anywhere.
It ain't going nowhere, is it?
That should be good. That I can't see that going anywheres.
Just kind of keep any junk out of it and give it all the structure it possibly can have. I mean, this isn't going anywhere.
Should check on this stuff, you know, after a couple 100 miles. Make sure she's not going anywhere.
Fully welded all the way around and hope that it doesn't go anywhere.
It's got some support from the bottom, support from the back, support from the front here, and then, you know, it ain't going anywhere.
That ain't going nowhere.
And it gets it lots of strength, and it's not going nowhere.
Underneath the front lip, so the windshield goes on top and then glued there yet. So it's not going anywhere.
That doesn't seem like it's going anywhere.
She's not going anywhere. She's good.
Braces are welded in. She ain't going anywhere. Fully welded, but for now it looks okay. It's not going anywhere. Everything is stout, not going anywhere.
But I gotta finish that up. It's not going anywhere.
Crimp that on there. Easy peasy. Lemon squeezy. That ain't going nowhere.
She's not going anywhere.
Hell no, she's tight.
And trapped within the transmission tunnel, the kick panel, the tow board, and the passenger seat, so that can't go anywhere.
Those are in nice and solid. That's not going anywhere.
It's lifted it there, it's holding it, it's probably not going to go anywhere.
New battery tray in here and battery hold down, so this can't go anywhere.
Oh yeah, that ain't going nowhere. Let's go. Oh, she's solid. Not going anywhere. Yeah. I don't see that going anywhere. Oh yeah. That ain't going nowhere.
She ain't going nowhere now, is she?